Hey, what's going on, everyone? It took a while to do this video. I know we did it in March. It's now September. So what is going on is that we want to test it out off-roading and on the street, see how the suspension did. It's still on the stock shocks. She has yet to change them out. That's the next plan. So enjoy the video. I did a few takes of it, so you can see it's gonna be in and out, in and out. And also, we changed a couple of things on it, so stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll see exactly what she changed on it. Hey, what's going on, guys? We're over here at Will and Tire City with my boys. I hooked up my truck. You can see their name kind of here. We're over here, they're gonna work on the new project that's going on. Got traffic right here on Whittier Boulevard. I'll put their address below. They do great work. They did the work on my truck. They put the suspension and everything. So we got the wheels and tires right there. So stay tuned. You'll see the end product and see exactly what I'm talking about. Hey, what's going on, everyone? We are here. The reveal is finally over. The wait is over. The reveal, it is time. We're here at Will and Tire City. My boys hooked it up once again. They did the suspension on my truck like I told you earlier, and now they did the suspension on the new build. It may be the first one in SoCal, may even be the first one on the West Coast like I said earlier, but here it is. Check it out. All right, so here you have it. We have a 2017 Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive. Just did a 2.5-inch lift from Rocky Road Outfitters, the only company that makes a lift kit for the Dodge Durango 3rd Gen that is all American made. I love the way it came out. About to drive it for the first time, and then we're gonna go and do the reveal for the owner, which is Lady Rango. I'll put her Instagram in the bio, that way you guys can see it, but hopefully she'll enjoy it. Let's go. It's a lot higher than what it used to be. All right, everyone, we're about to reveal the Durango to Lady Rango, and let's see what her reaction is going to be. Ready for this?
Go.
All right, Dad, hold her hand so she doesn't fall. She's closing her eyes.
I have to go down the stairs.
Don't look.
I don't trust you.
Don't look. I'll tell you.
Okay, I'm looking down.
Okay. Now turn this way.
There's going to be a step.
Look at my eyes.
And then turn.
Okay, now look.
Weird.
Yeah.
And here we got the 2017 Dodge Durango all-wheel drive GT. We have the Arturo 275/55 R20s on the Moto Metal, the new ones they just came out with, 20x10s. They have a little bit of a stance, nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, so what she decided to change out to was a Method 315 NV bronze face with a black beadlock. These are 17-inch, and switched it up to the Falken Wildpeak AT3s on a 265/70/17. As you can see here, it has a good, still has, you know, a little bit of clearance, no rubbing at all. And on the back also there's no rubbing. So when it comes to the lights, wrap the headlight, just the top part, little brow, to get rid of the amber. As you can see here. Also, last fit came through and put a new LED headlights on it, and the last fit, I don't know if you can see it behind the Dodge logo, the last fit blinkers, they're switchbacks, but the Durango doesn't switch back, so it's just bright orange. As you can see here, they're extremely bright at night, which I like. And also the headlights are extremely bright, way better than factory. Also had some Amazon ones on here. These are definitely superior to those. I couldn't believe the difference on it. She couldn't believe the difference on it. So that's what we changed out. And then we go over here and walk to the back of the Durango. You can see she wrapped the tail lights. Now you don't see the clear reverse lights anymore, which you can see at night, and also the blinkers and the brakes. The best part about it is when the lights are on at night, it blocks out the middle and illuminates just the outside. Watch, check it out. I think that's one of the best features of the Dodge vehicles. When you tint them, it makes it stand out even more. Okay, so let's get to the overall review of this 2017 Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive. With the new setup, it rode good, as you can see in the videos of the old setup with the 20-inch. She liked those. They look clean. The offset stuck out a little more than she liked. Nothing against Moto Metal. They make an amazing wheel. Love it. But it just didn't really sit well with off-roading with the Durango. Wanted to go a little more meat on the tires in case you gotta air it down. So with the new setup of these Methods and the Falcons, absolutely no complaints about it. She loves the way it rides. It's smoother. The tires are a little more quieter than the Arturos, which she likes. So off-roading, it did really good. As you can see in the video, she was following Subie Mama 26. Her link will be down below in the description. And the Subaru and the Durango both held up very well. A lot more off-roading and handling than I thought it would, which was a surprise to me. But it held up. Subarus are made for that. Durangos aren't really, and it actually held up really good. I was surprised. She was surprised. And they were surprised. So, and overall, it's a good suspension. I highly recommend, if you want to lift your 3rd gen Dodge Durango, don't go with the other companies. Go with Rocky Road Outfitters. They make a premium quality lift kit, and no complaints. Their warranty, everything's up to par. Go to Wheel and Tire City to have it installed. They know exactly what they're doing since they did this one. No complaints on their installation. Everything worked out great. So catch you guys on the next video. There's more coming up. I just been working on this one, so I haven't really done much. So once this one's out, I'm gonna be working on others, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you don't like it, make sure you hit that dislike button twice. Thank you.